In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design stunning dashboards using Figma and Power BI. Begin by opening the Figma community and searching for Power BI or Dashboard UI Kit. You'll find ready-made layouts designed specifically for BI dashboards. Preview a few options and pick one that suits the structure you have in mind. Think about the number of charts, filter areas, and whether you want a header, sidebar, or a full-width canvas. Once you've chosen a template, make sure your Figma frame matches your Power BI report size. Aligning these dimensions upfront prevents stretching and misalignment later. Match the width and height to your Power BI canvas settings. Many dashboards use a widescreen aspect ratio, so what you design is exactly what appears in Power BI. Now customize the design in Figma. Keep branding consistent and purposeful. Limit your color palette to 3 main colors to maintain clarity and hierarchy. If you need help picking combinations, tools like Color Hunt can quickly surface professional palettes. If you already have brand guidelines, use the eyedropper tool to sample exact colors from logos or reference material, so every visual matches your identity. As you customize, keep spacing and typography consistent so your layout guides the eye naturally. Design simple placeholder visuals that will later hold your charts. Rounded rectangles work great as containers for visuals like bar charts, cards, and maps. These shapes communicate structure without clutter, and they ensure each Power BI element has a defined home. Consider subtle corner radii and light dividers to separate sections while keeping the look modern. When you are happy with the layout, select the main frame and export it as a PNG or SVG. This single export becomes the dashboard background in Power BI. Choose the format that best suits your workflow and make sure the resolution is crisp. Switch to Power BI Desktop and open your report. In the Format pane, go to Canvas Background. Click Browse to upload your exported image. Set Image Fit to Fit so the design scales correctly to the canvas, and adjust transparency to 0% so the background appears exactly as designed with full opacity. With the background in place, you are ready to add your visuals on top, perfectly aligned to the placeholders you created. Thanks for watching.